Welcome back, guys. Crypto Follow channel. Today we'll talk about EigenLayer, Eigen USDT trading pair with my customer said initiation accumulation pump model still relevant. Let's dive in. Right, guys. Imagine today I showed you the SUI video, and the SUI at the all-time high basically was just a few months ago, and now also around all-time high with around 2 billion TVL total value locked in SUI. Take a look at the Eigen. 17.2 billion value locked in Eigen, but the market capitalization of SUI is 12 billion, market capitalization of Eigen 352 million. But the big problem is, the SUI FDV 34 billion, but FDV of Eigen almost 2 billion. So it's a kind of crazy differences. That's why you have to know TVL numbers. It's not all the time they're showing you that the price of the token should skyrocket to the moon. No, it doesn't work like this one. And you have to know anyway with TVL, with a high TVL, with a lower TVL, it's more about a trust, it's more about activity, and people lock the money into EigenLayer on Ethereum, and I think the market makers will deliver the price to the swing trades, take profit zones, and Eigen will show us the new all-time high. It's just my personal opinion about Eigen. It's not like a signal to buy now Eigen, but first of all, it will not hit like crazy targets like I don't know, $20, $25, $100, $50, whatever people share it in the social. I'm more conservative with the price target, and it's not about like people love to say, oh, this is one of the safe trader. No, guys, it's not about a safe trades. It's about the logic, because this cycle is totally different, and we will not see that so easy in iBlink, like 10,000% gains for each altcoin. Not enough liquidity to pump all of these altcoins, guys. So just be careful, guys. Highly recommend you use DeFi Llama to double check the metrics about TVL on EigenLayer 1 month time frame liquidity pool liquidation. So I can't say it's some big liquidations on EigenLayer. If we reach like $1.64, around 200 million liquidation. So basically, it's not a big one. It's not a big crazy liquidations for that token if we spike from this $1.14 to $1.65. The same liquidity zone is on a 3 months time frame, $1.64. So you can keep this level, $1.64 is around here, like a main liquidity pool. So believe it or not, but we will go and pump over than this level from this current prices, or from the one more correction. I wish to see that one more correction, but we will hit that target. Initiation accumulation pump model for the Eigen is still relevant. Invalidation, like you remember, it's a drop on the listing price on a Binance. On a Binance listing price was 30 cents. Maybe on a BitGet was a lower. Let's double check on the BitGet. No. On a Binance. On a Binance lower, HTX $1. Fun, but not so many tokens listed at the lowest price on a Binance. Usually it's a BitGet. So we are now test the second the best zone to buy. You can open the chart. So the SUI listed on zone 23 and Eigen listed in zone 24. So that's why we see this comparison, guys. So absolutely almost similar charts, but like you can see, the SUI perform much better. I think we will see this move. It's going to be the perfect scenario. If we will drop again to 82 cents, it's going to be the perfect scenario, because we're going to hit this target and this target. Like SUI already did it. So let's close this one, and you can open, for example, this chart. Compare these two SUI USDT. If you're not watching my previous videos, here's how the initiation accumulation pump model looks like. So the EigenLayer now around here. So around here, it will be new all-time high, maybe correction, and maybe another all-time high. But guys, of course, build the realistic targets for the tokens with market capitalization, with FDV, with unlocks, with all of this stuff. Now we around touch it, the second best zone to buy, 100% pump. You withdraw initial deposit. So for example, $2.30, this one, you withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens if you don't want to risk. Globally and middle term targets, I wish to see the sweep of low June, this one, close this daily gap and reversal move higher to liquidate all of this guys who added the stop losses above $1.65. So if you think to buy now or not, guys, of course it's up to you, but based on seasonality, if the agent will not see some hacks, some problems, some issues, you know, with that token, we will not see the crazy some sell-off like we saw in a mantra. I think we'll go higher. Now the money inflow step by step again into agent, so I think it's good. It's good. Weekly time frame, that's why I wish to see one more drop to 82 cents, retest at the middle line on the money power. Now no money inflow on the weekly time frame. Take a look at easy direction. Still we're in the middle, but the main accumulation being here in the March 25, still on the middle line on the weekly time frame based on the direction indicator. No accumulation. We need to see some accumulation like it was here and here. Now nothing, basically nothing. Do I believe in the warranty, you know, on a daily time frame? Honestly, I don't think so. Like the warranty like this one, I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low, but yes, 60 cents still possible. It sounds weird, guys, now to see the 60 cents on 60 cents, 82 cents on agent. But guys, by seasonality, the August can be red months. And after that, before the 17th of September, when the people will wait the Fed decision about rates, we can see the hype before the release of the news. So market's mood now. Disbelief. Globally, it's a good time for accumulation, but weekly, still euphoria. That's what I don't like. So I hope agent will not be one of these talking like a Starknet, which dropped like this one, form 1, 2, 3 dumps and drop to, I don't know, 20 cents or so, sweep the listing price. Starknet did it. Iowa did it. So many tokens did it. So be careful, because even from this current price, it's crazy dump. I hope we will not see this one. Many people trying to build support lines. I think that support line will be broke soon. And the perfect scenario, guys, it's a test like under $1.82, 85, even 60, and reversal move in October, November. To fix the profit, guys, for example, in average, if we drop to 93 cents, here 438, next zone is 579. It's hard to imagine how and where this token can stop if and when we will hit the new all-time high for $5.69. But be careful, guys, with this fresh new tokens, because the venture funds dump their bags like crazy. Because we still got unlocks, guys. Money power, I showed you trade on. Trade on, no signals to buy, daily time frame. Based on trade on money power, we can close, let's say weekly. Weekly, yes, no signals. Daily, buy, sell, buy back. No signal to take profit. We need to see the take profit money back from the sales and new signal to buy, like it was here. Sell, take profit, a little bit lower, buy, go higher. So this is what I wish to see based on take profit indicator and trade on indicator and test on the daily buy line. I wish to see the 89 cents, 88.3. I don't think so. We're going to see the fundamental value like 65 cents to sweep the low of April 75, but it's possible. 12-hour time frame, it's also like a magnet now. Is 84 cents. Fundamental value, it's a sweep of April 25 low, 63 cents. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 63. So the target, guys, at this zone, $1.09, 82 cents. In this area, if you believe in agent, you can accumulate. Now look on this token, maybe it will add alerts. And now I'm not rushed to buy on a spot. If I will buy the agent, it will be the around test of the buy line, speculative position on a futures with a second or 5x leverage. Targets for swing trades take profit zone, $4.68, $5.01. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about agent. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.